Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders. And right now, we'll be discussing about how to use the CSS border shorthand property. So quickly, let's get to our document and see how it works. As you can see right here, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS border width and all that, border style and everything like that. So now, right now, we are going to be using the CSS border shorthand property. One thing I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to delete this or comment out instead. Let me comment out this one first. So I want to arrange this document. A minute please. So after arranging it, I will now define another thing. Let's come down here and use, or let's delete all these things we are having inside our document so you can be able to understand the scope. Or let us comment everything out one by one. Everything we are having right here, we are trying to comment it out. And also the color right here. So I only leave this background image because I like it in my page, because I like the way it is. If you don't know how to use background image in your document, you can check our playlist on CSS background to be able to understand how we did this one. Everything I'm doing right here, I've covered it in our previous section, so I will want you guys to check it so you can be able to follow along easily. Now let's save our document and reload. Can you see? Now we are having this our document and it's having this fixed image, the fixed background image. So now let's give it a border using the shorthand property. I'm going to use this border. Inside this border, we cannot specify the width, border width property. Like we said, we can specify width. So now let's use border width property. I will specify 23 pixel. 23 pixel. Reload your document and see what we got. Can you see? We haven't seen the width yet, but this works along in the sense of if you don't put border style, it will never work. So let's put color also so you can see. Can you see when we give it color red also, it's not working. But on else, until you put border style should be maybe anything you want. The type of border we want, you must firstly specify the type of border. So then we are selecting solid border. Now let's reload. Can you see? Now we are having solid border all around our document. See how beautiful and pretty it is. So and we can change this. We can use this inside our fit set also. Let's reload our document and see how our fit set looks. Can you see? Our fit set is looking nice, right? With just our shorthand property. I can specify only one single element also. Only one single element that is having fit set class. Can you see? Can you see? This is so nice. So you can use it anyhow you want. Let's bring it back to the body. Can you see? It's looking nice in our document. So this is the shorthand property of border. Definitely inside this space, if you want the color and the width to work, definitely you must specify the style. So that's how it works. If you don't specify style, you will not see the width, you will not see the color. It will not reflect. Then we can change the solid to rich. We can change it to anything you want. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see? This is rich. You can increase it also if we want. You can say 64. Can you see how it looks? And our document is working nicely. And the funnest part right here is that we can do dynamics. Now next tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can do the dynamic. So please practice all this one, but before I go right here also, you cannot specify. Let's say for instance now we specify solid right here. Reload your document. Can you see all the border disappears? Definitely you cannot specify double style or double color or double width inside this place. If not, it's going to destroy the document. Let's say 55 pixel. Let's remove our solid first and give this one. Let's say for instance I want to specify left hand. Let's give it 55 pixel and save our document. Can you see? It disappears. So you cannot specify double properties inside this one, because let's say we give it blue. I will give it blue right here. Reload to your document. Can you see? It's not working again. So I'll give it green. Let's say we give it green. Let's reload our document. Can you see? It's not working again. So don't give double values inside your border property right here. You shouldn't do that because it will never work. Save your document now and reload. Now it is working. So in our next tutorial, I will show you a trick how we can go about this so you can be able to do whatever you want inside your border shorthand property, so you can be able to control the border shorthand property with another thing in another dimension. Once again, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.